Hi folks, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to discuss how to set up an environment so that you can run C#9 features or you can play with them. And then we're just going to touch on a top level statement. Right, let's get the ball rolling. First things first, we have to download the right version of IDE. In our instance, we're going to use Visual Studio 2019. At the time of this recording, we have got a version 16.8.2 out already. So if you're new to Visual Studio, then just follow this link above, which I will actually drop this in the description box as well. And in this web page, you would have three different products. They have Community, Professional, and Enterprise. So if you haven't got a license, Visual Studio license, then the best place to go would be Community. If you just download Community, it will install the required components for you. So once you have downloaded, then the next thing we have to do is we have to make sure that we have got the right version of the framework. So we are to make the C#9 to work, we need to have .NET 5 installed. So and again, this is the right place to go. I'll drop this in the description box as well. And once you have, so there's two ways you can download the runtime .NET 5. The one is by going through the link and just downloading the full SDK on its own, or you can actually go to the Visual Studio installer, and if you go to the individual components, then you would see there is option to download the runtimes, individual runtimes. Once you set everything up, the best way to check that you've got the right SDKs, if you just go to your CMD, the command prompt, and if you just type in .NET version, it should actually give you the latest version installed on your machine. Right, folks, so you've got everything set up now. Now it's time to write some code. Right, let's go and create a new project. And we will create a console app on .NET Core. Let's click next. And let's rename the project. Let's rename it to C#9 demo. Okay, let's click create. Great. So now you've got the console app application. So let's go to .cs project file and change the target framework to .NET 5. Let's save it. Right, let's run the application now. Okay, it should print hello world. That's great. Okay, so you can see hello world printed. So let's actually comment everything out now. So so anything below the using system should be taken off, including namespace. Okay, and I'm just going to type in console dot write line. I'm just going to put hello world string world, yeah. And if I'm going to run it now, I should see hello world printed on the console app. Fantastic, you can see hello world is there. So that is a new feature in C#9 top level statement, which all you need to do is just print console write line, and it should work for you. So now let's read from the console, console read line, and let us say the value as a variable. Yeah, so now let's print the value. in the console. So print value. Just put $sign in the front. Great. Okay, and if I say we run it, oh, sorry, let me run it again. There you go. So let me type in test. There you go. You can see print test has been printed out now. Under the hood, the compiler actually uses a static main method. So let's see. So if you actually copy and paste what we have, and on the left and the right, you could see it's actually converted into the static main methods. This is using sharplab IO, by the way. Yeah, see from the left, and you can see the right. It's actually converted into a main method. Okay, let's see what we can't do with top-level statement. Okay, so let me uncomment the static main method. And if I run this application, it should pick up the one above the namespace. So that's the first static main method it actually hits. So, yep, so let me type in my name, Vishnu. And if I hit enter, so there you go, print Vishnu. So it hasn't called the hello world inside the static main method. So next thing we can do here is, so let me actually bring this console read line below the static main method. Let me comment this top one off. And if you see, the compiler is not happy about it. So if I actually comment the static main method, the compiler is actually fine with it. So you can only have one top-level statement in an application. What you can't do is you cannot have a class, and you cannot actually have another top-level statement as well. So let's do it. So if I just create a class called, maybe just type in program one, just for demo purpose. Let's add. Right, and now let me just go and copy and paste what we have on the program.cs and just do it top level. And there you go. So the compiler automatically complains that you can only have one top level statement in your application. Yes, so that's the thing which you can't do. You can only have one top level statement in the entire application. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, thumbs up it, share it, leave some comments. Last but not the least, subscribe to it, and don't forget to click the bell button.